Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. We are officially in March, which means that it is time for some Easter planning. Today I'm going to share with you something that is very much worthy of being on your Easter tables, and this is my strawberry tart. All you're going to do is buy some puff pastry, some fresh strawberries, and you're going to bake that up with some sugar and then just dust it with powdered sugar, and you're going to love it. So let's go. You want one?